Want to create a professional coaching website without hiring a web designer? In this video, I'll show you how to build a coaching website in Systeme.io that helps you attract clients and book more coaching sessions. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Websites. Click Create Website, give your website a name like Coaching Business Website, choose a template, and click Create. Open your homepage and click Edit Page. Step 2. Customize the Hero section. Add your logo or personal brand photo. Replace the headline with something like helping you achieve your personal and professional goals, or transform your life with one-on-one coaching. Add a short introduction explaining who you help and the results clients can expect. Step 3. Now build the main sections of your website. Add an About Me section, your coaching services, coaching packages, client testimonials, frequently asked questions, and a clear Book a Free Discovery Call button. These sections help visitors understand your expertise and encourage them to contact you. Step 4. Create a contact section. Add a form asking for name, email, phone number, and coaching goal. You can also include a Book a Consultation button that links to your preferred scheduling tool, making it easy for potential clients to schedule a call. Step 5. Preview your website on desktop and mobile devices. Test the contact form, navigation menu, and all buttons to ensure everything works properly before publishing. And that's it. You've created a professional coaching website in Systeme.io. If you'd like to build websites, landing pages, sales funnels, and online courses from one platform, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials.